Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the conversion of a decimal number to its hexadecimal equivalent. This is same compared to the decimal to binary and decimal to octal conversion, with the simple deviation that we have to divide it by 16. Whereas in case of binary, we divided with 2, and in case of octal, we have divided with 8. So let us consider with an example as a whole number or without fractional part kind of example. We have to proceed with this decimal number by dividing it with 16. So it will be 23 to the base of, with the remainder of 10. So 10 has to be represented as A in case of hexadecimal, so it is given in the bracket. So while we proceed further, we will get 1 with the remainder of 7. So the result will be 17A to the base of 16. The next example is a decimal number with a fractional part. So first we have to proceed or go with the whole value, which is 819. When we divide it by 16, it will be a 51 with the remainder of 3, and then we go for the next step, it is 3 with the remainder of 3. So the result is 333, and when we go for the fractional part, we have to multiply the 0.93 with 16, which will be 14.88. So for 14, we have to represent as E in case of hexadecimal number system, and it is given in the bracket here. And later when we go further, we have to multiply 0.88 with 16, and this will be again 14.08, which is represented as E, and then we have to multiply 0.08 with 16, and this will be the result 1.28. So when we take the result for this process, we have to take from the top, which will be EE1. So the total result of 819.93 to the base of 10 when converted into an hexadecimal value is 333.EE1 to the base of 16. Thank you.